watching Magikal GH.
Go back.
And this course, the great advocacy that's being done in the health sector to ensure that our workers and all of those who are operating in the health sector are working within good environments so that they can churn out excellence. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, one more time I present to you the King of the State and President of the Traditional Council, King Taki Tekochru II. In our country, Ghana, a man of culture, a man of excellence, a man of the people, a man who believes in the next generation and what they have to do for this country. I'm a man who believes in greatness. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Biabiasuma, Boni, Bonio, Boni. King Taki Tekochru II. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, shall we acknowledge his presence? The king is here, ably supported by some queen mothers and paramount chiefs in the traditional area. And now, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, shall we all take our seats? Thank you.
You've been hands down for miles too long. Don't forget you are well.
First Gentleman of the Land and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, who shares this final moment with the Ghana Health Service Excellence Awards as President of the Republic. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the applause going as we pay special respects to the First Gentleman of the Land. And we shall all remain standing for the national anthem of Ghana. And on that very big note of nationalism, we say you're welcome, Your Excellency, and welcome. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Akuffo Addo, King Taki Taiko True, the King of the Ghana States and President. That will take us to the Eastern region. And this was as if they expected it. Ladies and gentlemen, Nana Oredu Wadier the First, who leads the Kabaka Foundation. Shall we do a big round of applause?
Ako changanya ako nime kaname biasuma gafanyachi His Royal Majesty King Taki Taiko the second Government Chair and President of the Ghana Traditional Council Ishmael Phobia biasuma. Good evening.
A nation that fails to honor its heroes is not worth dying for. Is it true? Before I read my speech, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the awardees. Put your hands together for yourself. The President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo Addo. I hope I'm permitted to stand on the existing protocols. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor and immense gratitude that I stand before you this evening to join in the celebration and extraordinary contributions of your hard work. Hard-working health workers at the second edition of the Ghana Health Services Excellence Awards. Tonight is not merely a celebration of achievements, but a reflection of the dedication and commitment health professionals demonstrate daily in service to our beloved nation, Ghana. The theme for tonight's event, sustaining partnerships for effective and efficient health care delivery, amplifies the pivotal role of collaboration in meeting the ever-changing healthcare needs of our communities. It emphasizes the collective responsibility of stakeholders, particularly traditional authorities, to drive on this note initiatives that enhance the quality of healthcare for all Ghanaians. I'd like to take this opportunity to encourage all traditional authorities to actively support healthcare delivery in our various communities to achieve universal health coverage, leaving no one behind. As a government chair, I'm deeply committed to promoting initiatives that
He has come to give us a message of encouragement as we look forward to having a healthcare system that will be an example for all others on the African continent. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo Addo.
From Suta Kwaman Deposu, Chair of the Public Services Commission, Chairman and members of the Board of the Ghana Health Service Council, Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Chair of the Planning Committee, Management and staff of the Ghana Health Service, NIGA and other traditional rulers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, awardees and healthcare professionals, fellow Ghanaians, ladies and gentlemen. It is both a privilege and an honor to be with you this evening for the second edition of the Ghana Health Service Excellence Awards. This occasion, which brings together the creme de la creme of our health sector, offers a memorable opportunity to acknowledge and celebrate the exceptional contributions of Ghana's public sector health workers and institutions, as well as the invaluable support of organizations, traditional authorities, non-governmental entities, and philanthropists, whose dedication strengthens our collective vision for quality health care for all. The Ghana Health Service epitomizes resilience and progress, reflecting the enduring spirit of our nation. I'm greatly inspired by the impressive strides made by the service in advancing healthcare delivery across Ghana, particularly through the tireless efforts of our health professionals. These men and women, whose selfless devotion ensures access to quality health care for all Ghanaians, serve as symbols of hope and excellence. Indeed, the past few years have tested the resilience of our health system like never before. Yet, in the face of unprecedented challenges, we have witnessed the unwavering commitment of our health sector in overcoming obstacles and emerging stronger. The expansion of community health initiatives, the strengthening of primary healthcare networks, and the extension of services to the most remote parts of the country bear testament to our determination to create a healthcare system that leaves no one out. This evening's theme, sustaining partnerships for effective and efficient healthcare delivery, could not be more fitting. It underscores the fundamental truth. The journey towards achieving a healthier Ghana is not one we can undertake alone. Our national aspirations for a robust and inclusive healthcare system are inextricably linked to the global goals of universal health coverage. Partnerships, therefore, are the cornerstone of our success. Through enduring collaborations with government agencies, healthcare providers, NGOs, traditional leaders, the private sector, and international organizations, Ghana has made significant strides in expanding access to healthcare. These partnerships have enabled us to mobilize critical resources, embrace cutting-edge technologies, and build the capacity of our health workforce. In doing so, we're ensuring that even the most underserved communities benefit from quality healthcare services, bringing us closer to the goal of universal health coverage. On behalf of the government and people of Ghana, I extend heartfelt gratitude to all our stakeholders for their unflinching support and commitment to our shared vision. Together, we're forging a resilient healthcare system that truly serves the people of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, government recognizes that the cornerstone of a thriving healthcare system is a well-supported and highly motivated health workforce. Under my administration, significant strides have been made to bridge critical staffing gaps. Over the past 8 years, we've recruited some 202,527 medical personnel. These include 12,132 medical officers, house officers, and specialists, 165,222 diploma and degree nurses and midwives, 8,688 support staff, including administrative managers, cooks, and executive officers, 1,303 pharmacists and pharmacy technicians, 80 medical herbalists, and 13,471 allied health professionals and allied health interns, ensuring that no community, however remote, is left without access to skilled professionals. Moreover, we have prioritized investments in the training and development of our healthcare workforce. This ensures that our professionals are equipped with the requisite skills and competencies to provide world-class care at every level of service delivery. Digital health, too, has become a pivotal component of our strategy to achieve universal health coverage. Ghana, with a score of 3.5, now ranks above the global average of 3.0 in digital health readiness. A reflection of our commitment to leveraging technology to revolutionize healthcare delivery. Our initiatives, including the introduction of nationwide electronic medical records, telemedicine platforms, and the world-renowned medical drone delivery service, are not only transforming patient care, they're also bridging the gap between urban and rural healthcare access. To bolster further this digital transformation, we're connecting 745 healthcare facilities to high-speed internet and establishing a state-of-the-art data center to underpin critical infrastructure. The 300 facilities already operational were enabling real-time data sharing and creating a robust telemedicine framework that empowers healthcare professionals to deliver timely and effective care across the nation. In tandem with these digital advancements, we have revitalized the National Health Insurance Scheme which now benefits some 17.9 million Ghanaians, up from 11.3 million Ghanaians in 2016. The implementation of the network of practice is also transforming access to primary health care, ensuring that underserved populations receive timely, high-quality services. The flagship Agenda 111 initiative, which is providing 101 standard 100-bed district hospitals with accommodation for doctors and nurses in districts without district hospitals, 6 new regional hospitals for each of the 6 new regions, rehabilitating in Fiankwanta Hospital in the Western region, 1 new regional hospital for the Western region, and 3 psychiatric hospitals for the 3 zones of the country, that is the South, the Middle, and North, is being undertaken at an estimated cost of $1.765 billion United States dollars, representing a bold commitment to expanding healthcare infrastructure, whose average overall completion rate is 70%. Through the accommodations for health professionals, this transformative project will relieve pressure on existing systems whilst enhancing accessibility and quality of care for millions of Ghanaians. Other milestones include the expanded malaria vaccine rollout to 136 districts, the establishment of new oxygen plants, and the enhancement of our ambulance service through the One Constituency, One Ambulance policy. These initiatives demonstrate collectively our resolve to address the healthcare needs of our people comprehensively. Furthermore, Ghana is making remarkable progress towards self-reliance in vaccine production, positioning the nation as a leader in vaccine supply within the region and continent. This strategic investment enhances our health security and strengthens our capacity in combating global pandemics. However, it must be emphasized that these infrastructural and technological investments alone cannot guarantee the realization of universal health coverage. We need to guard against ethical lapses, indifference, and lack of compassion, which have no place in our healthcare system. Such conduct erodes public trust and diminishes the dignity of citizens. I urge all healthcare professionals to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, empathy, and loyalty. Our healthcare facilities must become sanctuaries of care, respect, and dignity for every patient. Together, let us enhance the public perception of our health system by prioritizing client satisfaction and delivering compassionate, patient-centered care. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ghana Health Service Excellence Awards exemplify the values that underpin the nation's aspirations for a healthier and more prosperous future. I commend the leadership of the Ghana Health Service for instituting this laudable initiative, which honors the unsung heroes of our healthcare sector. To all distinguished awardees, I extend my warmest congratulations. Your sense of duty, selflessness, and strong commitment to saving lives inspires us all. You are the pillars of our healthcare system, uplifting standards of care and embodying the spirit of national pride. Your contributions resonate far beyond individual patients. They are transforming entire communities in shaping a healthier Ghana. Aiko, oh Aiko. As we look to the future, let us reaffirm our collective resolve. It is non-negotiable, and I'm committed to ensuring that the will of the people prevails in every election. No ambitions of any politician or political party will ever compromise the peace and stability that we as a nation have worked so hard to build and enjoy. The peace of Ghana is a sacred trust, and I pledge that as I transition from office, I will do so with the utmost respect for our democratic processes, safeguarding the future of Ghana for generations to come. May God bless us all and our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. I thank you for your attention.
Respectfully, would like to welcome King Taki. On a very light note, I appreciate the silence in the building. We do know that we've gotten to a very crucial point where we'll celebrate the National Most Outstanding Staff here at the Ghana Health Service Awards, or Ghana Health Service Excellence Awards 2024, the second edition, with His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Akufo Addo, as our special guest of honor, with our special guest being King Taki Tekutru II. Good people of Ghana, it gives me great pleasure at this time to announce the winner who drives away a brand new saloon car, a principal midwifery officer, who emerges from a region who have been here to pick other awards already. From the Dumesua Chips, Sunyani West District, Vivian Opoku Trevor, ladies and gentlemen. Vivian Opoku Trevor, ladies and gentlemen.
Sunshine, sweet, happy, your indulgence to turn on the existing protocols to say a few words. I don't have words. I don't have words. All that I say is God who has done it. Because if I look back at where I started my work, 34 years in the private area, all my colleagues, some are directors, but I'm still the principal midwifery officer with passion. I do my work with passion. The national and all the regions that I've worked, when they come to my facility, they call it a teaching hospital. My director, I can't thank you enough. In fact, I thank everybody. It's everybody that has helped me to win this award. Me, I can't speak good English because of where I've worked. So all I'm saying is that I thank you. I thank everybody here. My staff, those I work with, my community, my clients. Thank you all. Thank you, our President. God bless you. God bless all of you here on this platform and down there. Thank you, our moderator. God bless you.
The applause is not loud enough. It's not loud enough. Let's go for her. And on this beautiful note of celebration, I'd like all of us to rise as we see this final moment of celebration of what gives us identity as a people of God. The national anthem, as we also bid a farewell to His Excellency, the President of the Republic. The national anthem of the Republic of Ghana. You, and we appreciate everything you've done for the health sector in this country. Shall we do a big round of applause as His Excellency takes leave of us? And this is where we also say a very big thank you to the King of the Ghana State, King Taki Tekochuru II. We're very grateful to you for gracing the occasion and bringing your royal presence to this celebration.